Today I want to talk about an app called GoodNotes. So what is GoodNotes? Well, it is a note-taking app for Mac and iOS devices. Not only do you have the opportunity to write and take notes directly on your iPad, but you can also import PDF documents and write directly on top of those as well. This app is compatible with Apple Pencil, so you can take digital notes as if you were taking them traditionally with pen and paper. So let's go ahead and get the app open. As you can see here, I have different notebooks created. This is super handy whenever you have different subjects for your classes or different topics for work. You don't have to carry around a bunch of notebooks. You can all just have it all in this app, so that's super handy. So here's the one for this presentation. I have some handwritten notes here as an example, just to kind of demo how the pen works. I've got my Apple Pencil here, and we can just put hello there. And, whenever you make a mistake, of course, it's super easy to erase. You can highlight important words, and whenever your line's a little bit squiggly like that, you can just hold it down and it'll create a perfect line for you to keep those notes nice and neat. Also, you can do the same thing with shapes. You can draw a box around certain elements. That makes it nice. And say whenever you're taking notes, you have things out of order, it just doesn't quite make sense, and whenever you wrote them down, whenever you review them later on. So you can go ahead and select a certain portion and then just kind of move it around to wherever you need it to be. One of the most important features I found during this app is you can search your notes. So down here, I have this lorem ipsum placeholder text written here, and then I also have it on the second page typed up right here, just to kind of show that it'll search both. So we'll go to the search feature up here. I'll go ahead and type lorem, and as we can see, it shows up on page 2, which is the current page I'm on, and then page 3 as well. So it'll have that orange box around there highlighted and showing me quickly where it is. So this is super helpful. Instead of having to flip through pages and pages of notes, you can quickly search through those and find it there. Another really cool feature about this is that, like I mentioned earlier, you can import PDF documents. So I'll go ahead and click on this add page here, import. I'll go ahead and select this PDF document I have prepared, and say I need a signature on here, so I'll go ahead and sign it and then put the date right here. So that's pretty nice. I don't ever have to go to a printer, go to the library and have to pay for these pages to be printed out so I can sign them. I can just do it on the app and then email it to whoever needs it. Another cool feature about this is that you can collaborate and work on the same notes with others. So right up here you can go to share and export, and we can go ahead and send the link. And I'll go ahead and just copy the link and paste it into my browser just as an example. Ideally, somebody else would be looking at this. So it'll load the document, and as you can see, it has that whole notebook in there. So that's kind of nice. They can see what you're working on. And then also, we'll go back to the app and back to this first page here. I'll go ahead and just draw something on here so we can see a change. Just kind of do a scribble right there, and then back on that link, when the person refreshes it, my changes appear on their page as well. I thought it wasn't going to do it, but there it is. So that's kind of nice. You can collaborate with others, kind of more of a personal touch where you can handwrite notes as well with other people in your group instead of just typing it all out. So that's kind of nice. And then also, if you do need different pages on here, you can add lined pages or single column, 3-column pages. They have a bunch of different templates for your needs, so that's pretty nice as well. So as a summary, with this app, you can search notes, even handwritten notes as well, so you can easily find a certain topic. This is a paperless solution, so you don't have to carry around a ton of different notebooks. You can import PDF documents and sign contracts and email them without ever having to go to a printer or the library to print the actual pages out. You can also organize and personalize notebooks and create different ones for different subjects and keep everything organized. You can sync to your computer. You can open up the link with others and they can see your changes on real time. And also another study tool is you can also create flashcards with this, so that would be kind of nice as well. You don't have to carry around a bunch of note cards either. So that's it for this GoodNotes app. I hope everybody enjoyed this presentation, and I look forward to watching everybody else's. Thank you.